Today guys, I'm showing you the EPHIU store kids blue light protection lenses, and you can see that these days the kids are actually doing all the classes online, and they are sitting on the computer for long hours. So this kids lenses is actually protected from their blue light that comes from the laptop or computer or any other device. So this is the as a UV protection and blue light protection computer, and this is for the kids of 3 to 9 years age, and you can see that it comes in a good box, and the lens itself, and there is a case as well, the fabric case along with this. The quality of the case is good, and the quality of the lenses and the glasses is good. So you can see it's the small size that fits kids, and this do not have any metallic hinges or something, so that it will not hurt the kids. And you can see the clarity of the glasses. This will covers the eyes fully, and so I can also show you this blur protection, that how this thing will work, and if these glasses are actually a blue light protective glass. So you can see this is a blue light thing that actually generates the blue light that is very similar to what develops from the laptop, and this is the card that will show you the effect of the blue light on the eye. So just consider this card as the eye and the surface of your skin, or the cornea, or the sclera on your eye that come in contact with the blue rays. And so I'm putting half of this under the glass, and I'm putting half is as normal eyes, and I'm trying to put this blue light on both sides, so one through the glass and one directly on it, so that if there is any effect or something, you can see it clearly. So I'm putting it under the glass, I'm putting it on the normal one, and then side by side, and then you can see the case. So it's like purplish, that's the strain on the eye, and the other one under the glass is totally white. So it's actually protecting from the blue light. It's restful or the calm on the eyes, and it's relaxing for the kids if they sit on the laptop for the long time. So overall this is good, and this also comes with the eye loops so that you can put it for a comfortable wear. So overall it's a good package with the case, the fabric case, blue light indication thing, and the the cushion, rubber cushions to protect the kid.